Microsoft is truly leading the pack in the AI race, as they've just launched an incredible new tool we've all been eagerly anticipating. Say hello to Visual Chat GPT. This innovative tool connects ChatGPT with a series of visual foundation models, enabling the exchange of images during conversations. When GPT-4 was announced, we were all intrigued by the idea of multimodal models. Although ChatGPT saw an upgrade from version 3.5 to GPT-4, the feature we were most excited about is now here. The combination of images and ChatGPT's capabilities is undoubtedly fascinating, and the paper delves deep into the workings of this technology. Keep in mind that there's a working demo you can try out through the link below. I'll show you precisely what to test and the examples that work exceptionally well with this tool. Surprisingly, the community doesn't seem to have caught on to this yet. Let's examine the paper titled Visual Chat GPT, Talking, Drawing, and Editing with Visual Foundation Models. It's based on 4 foundation models: Blip Stable Fusion, Pix2Pix, ControlNet, and a detection model. The paper explains the process, which involves user queries and iterative reasoning, ultimately leading to the final solution. An example in the paper demonstrates generating a red flower, conditioning it on the predicted depth of an image, and then making it look like a cartoon step by step. So what do the examples look like, and how does this tool work in practice? Note that Visual Chat GPT is just a demo at this stage. Though it's unclear if this is the full version, the demo offers a glimpse into the capabilities of Visual Chat GPT. There are plenty of examples to explore, and you simply need to paste your OpenAI key to get started. I'll show you some of the examples I've tried, which are quite intriguing and provide a sneak peek into what GPT-4 might offer. First, let's look at some sample cases. One example asks, "Can you generate a cat for me?" And the AI promptly generates a cat image. You might think this is no different from Mid-Journey or Stable Diffusion models, but there's more to it. These models are merely prompt generators, whereas Visual Chat GPT offers a different experience. In another example, the user asks, "Can you replace the cat with a dog and then remove the book?" The AI swiftly complies. Next, the user requests the canny edge of the image, and the AI generates it instantly. Finally, when asked to create a yellow dog based on the given image, the AI succeeds. This demonstrates the remarkable versatility of Visual Chat GPT. Lastly, we have this final example. When you send an image, the system acknowledges it by saying "received," confirming the image has been uploaded. The user then asks, "What color is this motorcycle?" To which the AI replies that the motorcycle is black. Next, the user requests, "Can you remove the motorcycle?" And the AI promptly removes it. This is truly fascinating and impressive, as we now have models with this type of functionality. Microsoft is working on various projects, integrating numerous large language models, which I'll discuss in my next video. Microsoft explains, "Instead of training a new multimodal ChatGPT from scratch, we build Visual Chat GPT directly based on ChatGPT and incorporate a variety of VFMs. It's important to note that this is distinct from GPT-4's upcoming multimodal feature. Visual Foundation Models, VFMs, enable computers to see by translating images into textual descriptions. The exciting aspect of this technology is that when different AI components work together, we can create innovative software. A fascinating example I wanted to share before demoing the tool involves a user asking for help with their drawing of an apple. The AI generates an improved version based on the user's basic sketch. This demonstrates the potential of AI for enhancing images based on initial drafts. Another interesting point is when the user asks the AI to turn the image into a watercolor and then inquires about the background color. The AI identifies the background color as blue. This is quite different from traditional ChatGPT models or prompt image models, which may not be able to provide such specific details. While tools like Mid-Journey or Stable Diffusion can generate images, they might not be able to identify the color of specific elements within the image. Visual Chat GPT, on the other hand, can both identify the color and make alterations to the image as requested by the user. It's worth mentioning that the AI can sometimes fail. For instance, in one example where the user asks to remove an apple from the image, the AI successfully removes the apple but leaves its shadow behind. The user then proceeds to ask, "There are still some shadows on the table in the image. Can you help me replace the table with a black one?" The AI quickly and accurately performs the task. This is Visual Chat GPT in action, and I'm exploring the demo. Now let's examine some examples I've tried, as they are quite intriguing. For instance, I requested an image of a cat running in the garden, and the AI generated this picture. While it's not perfect, it seems to be a blend of stable diffusion. Perhaps incorporating Mid-Journey in the future could improve the results. I also tested the AI's recognition capabilities with a photo of Jack Kilby, an American electrical engineer. While the AI accurately described the image as a man wearing a suit, tie, and glasses, it did not identify Kilby himself. This could be due to privacy concerns surrounding facial recognition. However, I encountered some bugs while using Visual GPT, and I'm unsure of their cause. In another attempt, I again asked for an image of a cat running in the garden. This time, the AI generated a much better picture. When I requested the cat be removed, the AI successfully did so. I wonder if Microsoft plans to improve this technology further, as it seems to be more of a demo showcasing its potential. It demonstrates that even if GPT-4 isn't multimodal, there are workarounds to achieve desired outcomes. As expected, the model has limitations mentioned in the paper, such as reliance on ChatGPT and VFMs, heavy prompt engineering, and limited real-time capabilities. Importantly, this technology will not replace GPT-4's multimodal features, which may cause confusion for some. In response to a comment asking about using GPT-4 with images, OpenAI states, "We aren't operating this service right now, but when it does release, we'll announce this to the community."